Well, yesterday, what a 180 we have had here over the last 24 hours. We reached a high of 63 in Hagerstown, and most of the viewing area climbed well into the 60s. Of course, that was before the cold front arrived with the rain, the wind, and then that sudden drop in temperatures. And it fell to around the freezing mark overnight last night, and we have not really recovered much at all. It's been very cloudy out there. We've had some occasional wind out of the west northwest, and it's like we flipped the script altogether as we've gone into the day today. So yeah, look at that, 34 Hagerstown and Thurmont. You get a little bit warmer, a little bit more above freezing in Germantown at 38, Frederick and Leesburg at 37. So the entirety of the four-state region from D.C. all the way back to the north and west is downright cold. And look at this, the color on the map can't even keep up with how much the temperature has gone down over the last 24 hours near Petersburg. 37-degree difference from 24 hours ago, and a good portion of the viewing area is anywhere from 20 to 30 degrees colder than we were at noon yesterday. That's how sharp of a contrast and change it has been. Now check out the cloud cover that has been just with us all day long so far, and it doesn't look to be letting up anytime soon. There have been just a little bit of thin patches within those clouds that are allowing just a little bit of sunshine to make it down to the surface, but really this cloud cover is covering the entirety of the mid-Atlantic and northeast, but there is no precip as of right now that we have to deal with. So it's going to be a classic December chilly day out there the rest of the day on your Tuesday here. Now tonight, the next storm system that's arriving is passing to our south. It's going to be close enough that some precipitation will build in over our area, but just going to expect a dusting of snow, and with some rain mixing in with that snowfall, there could be a few slick spots out there tomorrow morning, so watch that for your early morning commute. And after this one brief bit of winter, if you will, we're going to be right back to the 60s by the time we enter into the weekend. So checking it out here on Future Tracker, all of that cloudiness sticking with us throughout the rest of the day today. We're not going to be seeing any precip through the first half of the overnight as well. It's not going to be until right about that early morning commute tomorrow where we'll have that little bit of precipitation. But again, it's going to have trouble even establishing itself because we have a lack of moisture, and that storm track is so far to our south that we're not just going to have the available energy to create that much in terms of any sort of snowfall or even rain for that matter. So this is going to be a very quick hitter. It'll be out of here by tomorrow afternoon, and then we're due for more quiet weather as we go throughout your Wednesday afternoon and off into Thursday. And again, the snowfall is going to be so light that it's not even really picking up on the maps here. A lot of the models have really been down with those numbers. Just a dusting of snow on the grassy areas is all we are going to see. So after that's through, temperatures do start to slowly rebound here near the end of the week, peaking again by Saturday in the 60s. And we actually have a good shot at steady rainfall. It's not looking like the nicest weekend as those showers linger around into Sunday. And then we go back down the roller coaster again. Cooler temperatures by early next week. That's what we have on tap.